We Are Chapter Mental Health, a charity based in West Cheshire dedicated to improving the lives of people experiencing mental health through one-to-one support and community-based activities. Last year we supported over 300 people.
We would love you to pledge to our Cheshire West crowdfunding campaign to run a series of 52 group activities for adults living with mental health. These will include group coffee mornings, creative arts, wellbeing walks and outdoor gardening at Chapter's allotment and community garden.
All our activities are based around the 5 steps to wellbeing to ensure participants get a well-deserved wellbeing boost. The sessions will be led by our highly experienced wellbeing coaches and supported by volunteers with lived experience of mental health, including current and former service users.
We are a small charity with a big heart, driven by our desire to offer help, kindness and opportunities to the people we support. Please like or follow our page, and if you can, please make a pledge. With your help we can make a big difference.